All right, recording. We're going to Taal Volcano, Tagaytay. We are now entering the boat. I hope I don't fall down, and I hope my phone don't fall down. And that's the volcano over there, in case you guys are not aware. All right. So. Well, here we are. Hello, sir. Single-handedly on a boat. I don't recommend this, guys. Whee! Okay. Oh, here we go. How do you feel? It's good, right? It feels good to be in water. We might even sink and then I lose my phone. Oh man, welcome to paradise. So, what is that? I don't know, I think they're like farming. We're gonna be getting wet. So we got a raincoat or some wet coat. I don't mind getting wet. So what do you think that is? What is that? What is that?
Fish cage. Fish pond.
Fish pond.
Fish pond.
Yes. There's only there in tilapia and fish.
Nice. Whoa, guys, we are swimming. Oh, this is cool. I haven't been on a boat for like 20 years.
It's my first time.
Is it first time? I haven't been on a boat in so long, I gotta say, man. And we're headed towards a volcano. And are all the ponds fish or no shrimp? Same fish, tilapia?
Tilapia and milkfish.
Milkfish. Tilapia and milkfish. You have all these farms. I mean, Asia is just really great in cultivating. You see those little structures? These are all fish farms. They're like farming the fish in the middle of the water. I mean, we're in the ocean, right? This is the ocean. So that's pretty cool, man. But yeah, that volcano is right over there.
Fish pond yun lahat, yeah?
And
Yeah? Fish pond lahat.
I forgot, where are we now?
Batangas ba to, yeah? Hindi, no? Hindi to Batangas. It's Batangas.
Batangas, we're in Batangas. And the name of the volcano is
Taal Volcano.
Taal Volcano. Oh man. Wee! Oh my god, this is fun. And can I tell my audience the price or don't tell the people? Okay. Well, you see this guy? He's a good guy. If you want to take a boat to Taal Volcano, if you see his face, go to him. I can't tell you. He helped me out, so, and he made me promise not to tell you how he helped me with the boat ride. But you should go to him if you want a boat ride. And it is bumpy, man. So apparently we can't even access the volcano because it erupted in the 17th century, right? So 300 years ago, the volcano erupted.
But that one, the big one is last 2020. January 12, 2020.
So the last volcano erupted in 2020. Apparently there's more than one volcano. I don't see, that's one.
Yeah.
And that's another one?
Because
Wow.
On the sky. Oh my God. The one touching the clouds? No.
That's one. The whole island is a volcano, sir.
The whole island. Oh, okay. So maybe we're getting wet, guys. Oh my God. Man, this water is so nice, man. I mean, Philippines has some of the richest ocean waters in the world. That's why China is fighting with the Philippines now, because they want control of the waters, apparently. But oh, we got splashed. Let me show you the volcano. Apparently, that volcano erupted in the 17th century, and one of these volcanoes, I don't know which one, erupted in 2020. So that's why we can't access the island. Yeah, look at that. Oh my lord.
Grabe, nakasahan.
Oh my lord. Yeah. Oh my lord. Are you happy here in the Philippines?
Yeah.
She's happy. I wish. Oh man.
So we got
Wow. We are getting splashed. A fish just flew. Look at that. All right.
layo niya pala niya.
So don't mind me. I'm gonna just keep recording for those who like enjoy the scenery, because it's not often that I go on a boat. For me, it's really exciting. And I mean, welcome to the Philippines. This is the island life.
Volcano.
Taal volcano. There's more than one volcano, so that's really interesting. Yeah, we're gonna get a nice sunburn after this. We're gonna get a tan. Yeah, I'm gonna get a tan. It's a shame because I try to stay white because Asian people like white skin, but I just ruined that today. But that's part of the journey, you know. I'm not gonna stop myself from not being tan because of a boat ride, you know. I decided to go. Wow. Yeah. Your first time in Tagaytay? Her first time. She's here all her life and she never traveled. So how far was the bus ride to from Manila?
2 hours.
2 hours, right?
Yeah.
2 hours. Whoa! I told you guys. Yeah, I'm falling on her. She's gonna fall down. The 2 hour bus ride.
Yeah.
And how much different is it than Manila?
Maybe up? How much? What do you mean how much?
How different is Tagaytay from Manila?
Oh my god. Look now. In Manila, you can see those buildings, but here you can see the natural. I mean, a natural look, you know.
It's much more peaceful and quiet, right? It's like a whole new world, right? You just drive 2 hours from Manila to Tagaytay. It's south. Tagaytay is Tagaytay, and 2 hour bus ride. It costs 110 pesos, which is like a $2, and you're in the boonies. You have quiet roads and lots of trees, and you got real hippie vibes. And the hotels are cheaper. Well, not really. You gotta find the right price. And I mean, if you want to get away from the city, it's a 2 hour bus ride. I definitely recommend Tagaytay. Lots of nice places to go to. Karaoke is really big in the Philippines. If you guys want to practice singing, you got to come to the Philippines. This country is huge on karaoke. But wow, I want to go fishing over here.
Sana si Kuya.
He got wet. The driver got wet. You got that. Is that a volcano? A mountain. That's a volcano. Okay, that's a volcano over there. And I think that was a volcano too over there. And this is a volcano. And that's where we're headed to. Wow. Would you live on a boat?
Oh.
Yeah. I would live on a boat. I think a boat life is fun. Like those people, the fish ponds. Would you live in a fish pond? Eating fish every day, living on the water, quiet and peaceful. Yeah.
Yeah, I eat fish.
Huh?
Yeah. I eat fish.
You eat fish, but would you live on a fish pond?
Maybe.
Yeah. I would live on a fish pond too. I think they have a good life over there. Hearing the sound of the water all day, very relaxing. Water is very therapeutic for the mind. If you guys aren't aware. Yeah. What a beautiful country. Look at those scenery. You got mountains, you got islands, you got volcanoes. What's your name? Angelo. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you so much for today. Nice man. Angelo. Amazing. Amazing how they do it. You think the volcano is inside? Yeah? Yeah, it's hot, yeah. The volcano is inside?
Okay, the other one, you see that mountain? That is the lip of the volcano.
The one touching the clouds? Or no?
No, this one.
This one?
That one, that mountain, they have a hole. After that mountain, they have a hole. That is the main crater.
Ah. And for this one, the volcano inside though.
No, nothing.
Nothing. Dead. Ah, okay.
Another one is active.
Usually you see smoke coming out, right? But no, okay. Okay. How much lava erupted when it in 2020 when this one erupted? How much lava erupted? How much lava came out?
This only ash.
Just ash? Not bad.
Something lava,
It's all inside. So it wasn't so active. It wasn't so active. It wasn't such a harsh eruption. You live here, right? Nice home. You go fishing? No? You don't have to go fishing, they go fishing for you. Right? You eat fish? What kind of marine life you have here? What kind of marine life you have here? Like fish life, like what do you have in this water? A lot of fish. What kind of fish? Tilapia?
outside
The willies. This is the ocean. Lake. Ah, it's a lake. I thought we're in the ocean. You see, this country has so many islands, you can't tell if you're in an ocean or in a lake. We're in a lake. We're in an island inside a lake that's surrounded.
This island they have another lake.
Oh my God! Can we go to that? Is it inside? Not possible. It's inside, right? Oh yeah. So inside this area, they have another island, and inside that island there's a lake. And we are now in the lake that we're surrounding an island. This area is an island. You get it? This is the main continent behind us is Manila, or the whole continent of the Manila. And now we're in a lake, and now we're entering into an island, but we cannot access it because of the volcano. It's illegal. But inside this island, there's a lake, and inside that lake is an island. It's really cool. But this is a spot where it's at. So this is a dead volcano, not active. And the other one that's active is somewhere over here. I still don't know where. Thailand, it's super hot. So if you can bear the heat and ready for adventures, I recommend this. Otherwise, wear long sleeves and pants. Usually they wear pants. People, the locals, if they don't want to get tanned, they wear the long sleeves, right? Yeah. If you don't want to get tanned, just wear long sleeves and long pants. That's the best way to keep your skin white. Nice.
500. Balikan na. Kasi hindi mo punta dito na kami.
May mahal ko kasi.
Oo.
Ngayon, ang mataas niya na pala. Mataas siya.
Nasa kanina sabi niya, antayin niya na lang sa kami.
Pwede na kayo magandulog yung request pa. Kasi mas malakas yung mahal kasi.
Oo nga. Ang matapas niya ay yung capital niya.
So Angelo, yeah. What is this thing on the side of the boat? Yeah, bamboo. What? Balancing, right? All right, so there you have it. A canoe is not enough. This is not enough. You need that, huh? You need the bamboo so you won't sink. There you have it, man. Learn from the locals. Whenever you travel to a country and you see locals do things a certain way, tip of advice is to do things the way they do it, because they know their country better than you, and they always will. Wow, they got some homes over here. People are living. So wait, what's going on over here? People are living here, but I cannot enter? What? People are living here. This is homes. Homes. So why can't I go?
They're not allowed.
Okay, fine. So they're allowed to live on this island, which has a volcano.
You see, it's empty.
Huh?
It's empty. There's a house, but there's no people. You see, it's empty.
Yeah. I really wanted to go to the island to see the volcano closer, but that's why I'm asking. But yeah. So where is the volcano?
There, the top is the lip of the volcano. The top is the lip of the volcano.
The top.
Yes.
Over that top.
Yes.
Over. You can't even see the volcano.
Before, there are people going up there.
Ah.
Not enough.
So
Then people going up there. They already know us.
you would pass that hill over there, down all the way up.
But now it's nothing.
But now you're not allowed.
For that.
Oh man, I would have paid you. I would have paid you 2,000 more pesos to take me there. I would have paid money to go there, guys, but they won't allow me. Sorry. So you can drink this water?
Other people they think that. Other people they think.
I saw you washing your hands before. You wash your face too?
Yeah.
There you have it. You can wash your hands and face. Take a shower. Oh, I saw people. I saw people taking a shower where we off the port when we were leaving. I couldn't record it because the camera was facing me, but I saw it towards this way. People were taking a shower. Free shower, but no drinking. No,
No, nothing.
sometimes. There you have it, guys. Freshwater Philippine water, man. The water looks pretty clean, though. The water looks clean. Yeah, it looks clean. How long you're a boat rider?
10 years old.
10 years. Wow.
10 years old.
10 years old. Oh, since you were 10. How old are you? 35. So 25 years. Did you ever sink your boat? Did you ever sink? Never sunk? He never sunk, guys. He's got a good driving record. You have your license? You need permit. You need a boat permit.
This boat is registered of the municipality.
Uh-huh. What was the craziest boat ride you had?
Big wave.
Big waves?
Yeah.
What happened?
This when we are both the closer, if we go in there,
Wow.
we cannot see each other, and then we get then they see
Wow.
each other again.
So what happened? Two boats? What happened? Say it again?
But nothing happens. But we cannot see if we are going like this.
Oh, you can't. Oh, you can't see if the boat is wet. Wow, that's. So he was. The boat was rocking, and you couldn't see if you're going down. How far you're going down. That's how you know you got high waves. Right, right. Was it very windy? You never sunk.
No, never.
You're so good, man. I would sink the boat if I was driving. It's hard, no? Is it hard? It's hard, right? Yeah. What about surfing? You go surfing?
No surfing.
Hello, he's waving. Oh,
No, no.
he's being friendly.
La Union, they have a surfing spot.
Ah, Lonya. How far is Lonya? How far is that place? Lonya.
It's very far.
Very far? All right, well.
4 hours travel.
Wow. Wow. So you can actually you can take boat rides to other parts of the island, right?
It's only in the back.
Only here, right?
Yeah, this is the only one island here.
But like I can go to different islands and different not here, but I have to travel. But
You have.
yeah, you could, right?
Yes.
You have boat rides for like a few days, right? You can sleep on the boat. How much does that boat ride cost?
It's almost 5,000.
5,000. That's cool, man. Because a lot of parts of the Philippines you gotta travel by boat, right? You gotta travel by boat in the Philippines to get to some places. You have to travel by boat.
Yeah, they're in Batangas City.
Batangas.
Yeah, they're in Batangas. They have a boat there. You will go to another island.
There you go. There you go. In Batangas, you have boats that go to different islands, and we are rocking it, man. We are literally rocking it right now. I'm vibing now. Sorry, guys.
You will go to the different island.
Sorry, guys. Where is Batangas?
Here.
It's Batangas.
Ah, where Batangas? Ah, look at what's this? Something was built
No. If they have a rain, the water is here. Yeah.
for rain.
Yeah.
Ah, reservoir. Ah, wow. Oh yeah, we're rocking. Do you like your job? That's good, man. You're very lucky. A lot of people have jobs they don't like. You know that, right? So a lot of yeah, yeah. So we have all this empty land. That's crazy, man. So if,
This building is a prison office.
oh wow, take a look at that, guys. That's the tourism building office that existed before the eruption. Wow, so they were building infrastructure and they stopped building infrastructure because of the volcano eruption.
It's already built it.
They already built it.
Yeah. But they broke this
Demolished.
no, they broke this present building and the volcanoes erupted.
Right. So did they stopped all the buildings? They stopped everything. Wow, amazing. So they were kind of growing the economy, but then the volcano erupted. Even though it was a small eruption, it wasn't even small eruption. It wasn't even lava. It was just ash, and they decided to cut everything off.
We will stay here, and then if you want to take a photo, go to there.
Okay. Yeah, just a blog around. So
And after you take a photo, we will go back.
okay. Yeah, we're at the end of it, and we have it then. Awesome. You still got those tiny homes over there. That's really cool. I just love abandoned places. Can I ask you a question? Would you ever stay there by yourself? Would you ever stay there by yourself? Oh, you stayed there? Oh, that's so cool. I would stay there too. Oh my god. He's a true islander, man. Nothing. But I would still stay there. I like abandoned places. Not possible, right. Wow. So there you have it, man. Right. Because someone might die, yeah, that's why. For safety health reasons, someone might die. How many volcanoes does your country have? Yeah. He said there's too many. Not Mayan, yeah, I was there, yeah. Canon. A lot of volcanoes. First he said if there's too many volcanoes. That's a crazy answer. Well, I mean, this country is so beautiful, man. I actually was in the Mayan volcano, and the beach, the sand was black. The whole sand was black. I didn't do vlogging that time. Maybe next time I'll do vlogging, but oh, here too is black sand. That's amazing. You know, a volcano is so rich for the land. They make the minerals. They make the land rich. So that's why they have a lot of very good land over here. Yeah, I'll go back for sure. This was 30 minutes?
No, it's 45.
45 and 45. Okay, perfect. Wow. Have you ever been to the Mayan? No? It's too far. Yes, 10 hour drive. Yeah? Yeah, yeah. I was there. It was so nice. Yeah, that volcano is like an ice cream cone, upside down ice cream cone. It's like a triangle. You never seen anything like it before, and there's smoke coming out of it because it's active. It's an active volcano, but people are living there. It's a town. Maybe I should go there next time and vlog. No, wait, I want to go somewhere else. So, like, how many volcanoes, if you're counting, how many does the Philippines have?
Search na lang natin. I-search na lang natin.
Basta lang naman po eh.
Six or seven volcanoes. Look at that, man. It's okay. Even guessing is good. That's nice, man. All right, guys. If you're coming to Tagaytay, you want to do a boat ride? Just look for Angelo. He's the best. I'm not lying to you. He took care of me. What's the name of the company? The boat?
100 volcanoes.
100 volcanoes? What is that? Google?
Yeah.
100?
Yeah, 100.
Why? So like small volcano? You have a small volcano? 100.
Yeah.
Apparently,
Volcanoes in the Philippines.
maybe you're a volcano. 100 volcanoes according to Google. What's the name of this company? Your boat company? Yeah. Yeah. Ramdam? Say it louder. Ramjam Boat Tours.
21 sa Pinatubo.
Tagaytay.
22 sa Raga.
Batangas.
24 sa Taal.
Batangas. Batangas. If you're driving to Tagaytay, Tagaytay is on the way to Batangas. The 20-minute taxi ride to get to Batangas from Tagaytay.
Pero ngayon, yung active ngayon sa ano natin.
How many?
Active na volcanoes, 24.
24 active volcanoes. This country, this country probably has the evolution of the world. Amazing. The first time in my life I saw a volcano was in the Philippines. Mount Mayon. Yeah, America has national park volcano, only one. Yellowstone.